gear of the year.
Shit. Might actually have two fish on. That one's screwed. I got two big carp on it at the same time. That one's eventually going to break off. It's stuck in the tree over there. They hit exactly at the same time. One on corn, one again on pineapple. Okay, there's one. You're gonna have to sit here for a minute, buddy, while I try to get this out of this tree and catch whatever fish might be on there. I don't think he's still there. He might be. Yeah, it's still on. Go ahead and swim. I have a surprise for you in a minute. There we go. Now it knows it's caught. That was incredible. I think it just pulled my back out. Just gonna let this one take drag. So I can let this big boy go home. I'm biting fish while trying to release one. Go. This one's pulling drag. This might be even bigger. It's got my line in it. Okay. Now we're prepared for fish number 2. What a mess. Oh, and it pulled my back jumping to get that line out of that tree. You might spool me. Haven't even seen this fish yet. Feels really, oh, it's really big. Another big common. Raven float does a really nice job. They come in all different sizes. I use them for drift fishing, carp fishing, cat fishing. Oh, that's a really nice fish. Holy crap. That one's huge. The two from this morning's session, the 28-incher was 10 pounds. I can't believe it stayed on through that whole thing. Hooked the one. Hooked this one, got tangled in a tree, landed the first one. Had to release the second one. Get the line, bite the line that was in this net, and then land this one. And I pulled my back, which is gonna suck for tomorrow. This may be the biggest common I've ever hooked in this lake. Come on, big guy. Nope, missed him. I think we got him beat. Ah! Sorry, everybody. Yeah, it's getting tired. Come on. Come on in! There we go, I got him now. Wow. That's a heavy fish. It is. $28 and a half by 20. 28 by 20. Alright, we just hooked one on bread. Chinsom's here from DuPage Angler. And like I said, the spot, I've just been chumming it once or twice a day, and it's been good for a fish or two each time I'm out. Yeah, it's a good fish, dude. This is my beefier rod, so it's gonna have a harder time kicking my ass. About a, what, 20 inch or so? No, it's common. It's almost beat. This is heavier line. It's like 12, I think I got on this one. Not yet. There we go.
The other rod is no pay on it.
Okay. This one's 26. So they've all been over 20. Finally. This is Pondboy. It's next morning after last evening. I'm doing my best to reel in my first fish. This one was on plain bread. Threw some boilies out last night. They've been robbing me pretty good this morning. This fish feels very heavy as well. Nice fish. Awesome. It's been a great few days. I just come out for an hour or two, fish with my chum line. There's usually a couple fish in here. I either get them or I don't. This will be my 6th fish in 4 outings. So one outing, I came out for a half hour with my little guy and got skunked. But every other one I've had at least one fish. It's been so much fun. Now this one was just on bread, but you make your own bait. I've been making boilies and experimenting with different flavors and stuff, and it's pretty cool to watch and bring fish in, catch fish on them. My boilies are a little softer, not as hard as European boilies. They're almost like a hard dough. That way I can just put them on a regular hook without a hair rig, but I do use hair rigs on occasion as well. Got it. Awesome. Not quite as big as the other fish I had. $27 by 16 and a half. Alright. Pondboys Angling Adventures. I'm gonna be recording, so if you hear me talking, I'm not nuts. This is a Pondboy from DuPage Angler. I just hooked my first carp on a hair rig from Big Carp Tackle, and it's on a homemade pineapple boilie I made myself. And this is by far the biggest grass carp I've ever hooked. Guys, if one of you guys do me a favor, it's probably gonna be a while, but once I get it tired down enough, if you guys could, somebody get my net, probably have to get his head in, and then probably have to grass swoop his tail and get him onto the shore for a picture. Yeah, this is bigger than any grass carp I've ever caught before. I know he's not ready yet. I want to try to get him now, but
Dude, that is a fish.
it's like catching muskie. Alright, he's laying on its side. I guess it might be ready. Alright.
You want head first in there?
Yeah, I think we'll try to go head first. He's probably gonna get pissed off, and then we'll see if we can kind of bend him in there. Try to get him to bend his ass in there. Hold on. As long as you get most of him in there, we'll be alright. Alright.
Oh man.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
God. Oh shit!
Oh fuck.
Don't worry.
Right through the net.
Is he still hooked? Yeah, he's still hooked. Alright. Brand new net too. I still got it. Yeah, I got it.
I don't want to get.
Just stay with the looks like we're gonna have to do this again.
It came through.
Oh, it broke?
Yeah.
Oh no! I touched it. I touched it.
Oh man.
Son of a bitch. That thing had to be what? At 41 inches was 30 pounds. What do you think? 70?
Went right through your net.
70, 80? That's the second time the second net I've gone through. Oh well. This is Pondboy. Now I'm without a net. I got another big fish hooked that's pulled half of my spool before I could even get the line back in my video on. I'm still shaken up by the last fish. This next fish I have no way to land it. But I mean, it's heavy. I don't know. It's about as I don't know if it's another grassy, but it feels really big again. This is on the same pineapple bait that I hooked the last fish on that I made. Like I said, I've been using hair rigs today instead of other hooks. I was having a hard time keeping my bait on the octopus hooks. And it's been a pretty exciting day. Yeah, can't tell. Can't tell. Might be a big common. It's a really big common. Yep, there it is. Great fish. Well, if I can steer it into the rocks and get it up, I'll continue the video. If not, I'm probably just going to release it right here. I really would like to get a measurement on it. Maybe I'll just measure it here in the water. It's Pondboy for DuPageAngler.com.
I'm fishing the lake so blue, come and join my crew. You could be catch of the day at DuPageAngler.com. That's a wrap.